Wrapping up the year. Understanding year-end wrap-up. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a common phrase you might hear especially towards the end of the year. Year-end wrap-up. If you've ever wondered what this phrase entails or how you can use it in your conversations, you're in the right place. The phrase, year-end wrap-up, refers to the process of concluding or summarizing events, achievements, or experiences at the end of the calendar year. Imagine wrapping up a present. Similarly, a year-end wrap-up involves bundling together all the significant happenings of the year. This can be used in personal reflections, corporate settings, media summaries, and more. Year-end wrap-up is typically used as the year draws to a close, often in December. You might come across this phrase in different contexts. 1. In business, companies might have a year-end wrap-up meeting to review the year's achievements, discuss goals, and plan for the upcoming year. 2. In media, newspapers, TV shows, and online platforms may present a year-end wrap-up, featuring significant news events, entertainment highlights, or sports recaps. 3. Personal reflection. Individuals might do a personal year-end wrap-up to reflect on their personal growth, memorable moments, and lessons learned throughout the year. To get a better grasp, let's see how year-end wrap-up can be used in sentences. 1. The company's year-end wrap-up revealed a significant growth in sales compared to the previous year. 2. I love watching the news channel's year-end wrap-up. It really puts the whole year into perspective. 3. As part of my year-end wrap-up, I'm writing down my achievements and setting goals for the next year. And that's a wrap on year-end wrap-up. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily life. As the year comes to a close, maybe you can start thinking about your own year-end wrap-up. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a happy and productive wrap-up to your year.